Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you one modification for the carb on my Sherco. So I got the needle for the carb, it's same numbers like on the KTM models. So this is the tip from one professional Sherco rider, factory one, but I can't tell the name because it's top secret. So guys, this is the jetting chart for the Sherco. This one is for the 250, but I used really the 300 jetting chart for my 250 bike. I know you're going to tell that it's not the smart, but everybody was suggesting that, so I tried and it's really fine. It's working better than the 250 chart. So just the difference, I used 170 and 38, and with this needle, and it was working really fine for now. But I'm going to test this KTM numbers needle. So it's not really the KTM needle, but it was used on KTM EXC models 300 on 2015-2016 years. So it's really fine needle. So on Sherco it's not really easy to change the jetting. You need to pull out the carb. On KTM models you can just turn it and change the jetting from bottom. But this time I'm changing just the needle, so I'm going to reach it from the top. I need to remove the tank and the seat. So let's go. To remove the seat on the Sherco, you just use this special design. Enter a So to remove it, it's not that really hard. You just pull the spring to the back and then pull the cable inside of this part and it's removed. Also, by the way, be really careful with this bolt because it's from aluminium and it's really easy to break it and damage it. So be really careful. I said you to be really careful with this because it's really easy to damage it. So plastic protection first on the cable, then attach the cable to the slide part. Now you got the spring and now just spin it around and it's going to make the fit on this part. Also, by the way guys, sorry for my bad English, I'm not the best with English, so it's really hard to choose the words, what to use and what not. So okay, I know some guys will tell your bike is really dirty, wash it before working. Yeah, that's true, but look my filter, it's almost like ready to use, really clean. so that's really important. So guys, I'm now in the forest, ready for really hard slippery training. As you know, my rear tire is dead, almost no grip, but it's really fun to training like that. It's making it really more harder than with a good tire. So let's see what happens. This is too much. Also, what I need to say about the jetting now, the bike is working really different, really more strong in the bottom end. Also, the air screw for the mix of the fuel and air was almost closed. I tried to make it 1.5, but then it's to reach, it's not that clean throttle. Now it's on the 2 turns, it's working amazing. Also, the bike has strange noises because I broke this pipe like mount. I need to install different pipe. I got it in garage, so I will do that later. So let's ride more. And I need to say the Sherco is really handling different in like this terrain. It's better than the KTM. It's so stable and everything. But the KTM is better for the faster stuff for me. So let's go.